Number 1. The electric recliner chair offers unparalleled comfort and convenience, making it a luxurious addition to any living space. With smooth, motorized reclining and adjustable settings, it adapts to your preferences at the touch of a button. The chair's plush cushioning and ergonomic design provide exceptional support for your back and neck, perfect for relaxing or unwinding after a long day. Its elegant aesthetic complements a variety of home styles. What makes this chair truly zenful is its calming, almost meditative experience as you sink in and let go of your stress. Elevate your relaxation with this exquisite electric recliner. Number 2. The Alphabot window cleaning robot redefines how you clean your windows, making it a hassle-free and efficient experience. This intelligent robot glides effortlessly across your windows, reaching even the most challenging areas with its advanced suction technology. Equipped with a microfiber cloth and a powerful cleaning solution, it leaves your windows sparkling clear in no time. The robot's remote control offers user-friendly operation and control, allowing you to sit back and relax while it does the work. What sets this robot apart is its techno-wizardry, the seamless integration of smart technology that transforms window cleaning into a futuristic experience. Let Alphabot handle your windows for an immaculate finish. Number 3. The automatic pet dryer box is a game-changer for pet owners looking for a fast and efficient way to dry their furry friends. This innovative dryer box provides a safe and cozy space for your pet while using gentle heat and airflow to quickly dry them off after a bath or rainy walk. Its spacious interior accommodates pets of various sizes, and the adjustable settings let you customize the drying experience. The transparent door allows you to keep an eye on your pet, ensuring their comfort. What makes this product truly pawsome is how it combines pet care with advanced technology for a stress-free drying session. Number 4. The smart dimmer switch elevates your home lighting experience by offering seamless control and customization. Compatible with voice assistants and smart home systems, this dimmer switch lets you adjust the brightness and ambience of your lights with a simple voice command or a tap on your phone. Its sleek, modern design blends effortlessly with any decor, while the intuitive interface makes it easy to create the perfect lighting atmosphere for any occasion. What's truly futuristic about this switch is how it brings smart technology and stylish functionality together, transforming your home into a cutting-edge haven. Upgrade your lighting game with this smart dimmer switch. Number 5. The Dreo Smart Pedestal Fan offers a refreshing blend of advanced technology and elegant design, making it an essential addition to any home. This fan boasts customizable speed settings and oscillation angles, providing optimal air circulation tailored to your preferences. The smart control features allow you to manage the fan remotely via an app or voice command, ensuring a comfortable environment at your fingertips. Its sleek, minimalist look complements any decor, while the quiet operation ensures peaceful cooling. What makes this fan truly cooltastic is its innovative fusion of functionality and style, elevating your cooling experience to a whole new level. Number 6. The wall-mounted clothes line offers an eco-friendly and space-saving solution for drying clothes indoors or outdoors. This versatile clothes line features a retractable design, allowing you to easily extend it when needed and tuck it away when not in use, making it ideal for compact living spaces. The durable materials ensure long-lasting performance, even with regular use. Its straightforward installation process and adjustable length provide maximum flexibility for drying different types of laundry. What makes this clothes line truly innovative is its sustainable approach to drying clothes, reducing energy consumption and benefiting both your wallet and the planet. Number 7. The LED wall panels transform any room into a captivating visual experience, offering stunning ambience and vibrant lighting effects. With customizable colors and patterns, these panels allow you to create your own unique light displays to suit your mood or occasion. The easy-to-use control app lets you adjust settings, sync the panels to music, and even set schedules for automated lighting. Their sleek, modular design makes installation a breeze and allows for endless creative possibilities. What makes these panels truly lightastic is their ability to bring a sense of wonder and magic to your space, elevating your decor to new heights. Thanks for joining me as we explored 7 amazing home gadgets. If you found these cool gadgets inspiring, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more innovative finds. Let me know in the comments which gadget caught your eye. Until next time, keep upgrading your home and making your life easier.